Welcome to this weekly update from OAWA. So this week we are going to break it up into three parts. One is the macros and the economy. Second is the stock markets. And thirdly, what's happening in the international space. When it comes to macros and the economy, so we had the economic survey presented this week, followed by the budget. So the budget has been more or less on steady lines, so with the objective of macro stability and focus on growth. GDP is expected to grow between 6 and 6.8. Fiscal deficit numbers are targeted to come down to a little under 6%. Thankfully, the bond market is showing a sign of relief because the gross borrowing program is a little lower compared to what the expectations were. So it's at 15.4 lakh crore. And the services sector is the shining star out there, which is growing by around 9.1% year on year. What's been also very positive is that this sector has been able to attract around $7.1 billion of FDI last financial year, and the growth of credit from the banking sector towards services has been little over 20%. So that's one bright shining star that we are all tracking closely. Let's look at what led to these improvements. What led to these improvements has been the formalization of the sector, tax collection efficiencies, and in higher inclusive growth. And the government remains focused in terms of improving the capital expenditure in the coming year as well, around 33% growth. Let's look at the equity market. The equity market is rattled. Ever since the New York-based research firm Heidelberg has published a report on Adani Group, where there are serious allegations about stock price manipulations and balance sheet management, the stock has been heavily hammered. And then the effect is also being felt on the other parts of the stock market as well. There are serious allegations moving back and forth, and it's sub judice right now, but it's a very developing story, and the implications are being felt across Adani Group's bonds and equity markets, and the way the rating agencies are looking at this firm, and the way the banking sector is possibly going to look at them in future. We would continue to track the story around Adani Group in the coming days. If we look at the international space, Federal Reserve decided to hike the key interest rates once again. So this is the 8th hike, and it takes it to around 4.5 to 4.75. Despite some kind of mellowing down which has been witnessed in the inflation in US, the Federal Reserve believes that it has still not come down to the level which warrants any kind of pause. Hence, they have decided to hike rates once again. With that note, we are signing off. Please follow us and track us for further updates. We will come back to you next week with a weekly update once again. All the very best. Bye-bye.